Welcome back to Good Day Atlanta. It's 5:14 now. Hundreds of CDC employees once again have a job after 2,400 employees at the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention were laid off back in April. The U.S. Department of Health and Human Services confirmed more than 400 employees were reinstated as of yesterday.
Yeah, and Good Day's Lindsay Tuman is live outside of CDC headquarters this morning with all of the details. Lindsay, good morning.
Good morning to you, Buck and Alex. And there has been a lot of pushback against these layoffs, with people saying that they're leaving critical roles that protect public health empty and that these vital positions need to be filled once again. Now, over the last several months, we've seen some rallies happening here outside of CDC headquarters with people gathering together, pushing back against these terminations. There's also been lawsuits challenging the layoffs, and in some cases, judges have paused the terminations. Now, it's important to note that from the Department of Health and Human Services, the agency says it's simply streamlining operations, and a spokesperson said that the nation's critical public health functions do remain intact and effective. But again, a lot of pushback. And on Wednesday, the Department of Health and Human Services confirmed that 460 CDC employees have been reinstated. 200 of those workers are based in the Center for HIV, Hepatitis, STD, and Tuberculosis Prevention. Another 150 work in the Environmental Health Department, including staffing in a lab that works on lead poisoning. Employees say these positions that have been cut need to be back reinstated.
They fired a lot of our scientists, a lot of our public health communicators, a lot of anybody to do with DEI, birth defects, anything to do with smoking and health, domestic abuse or domestic violence.
Well, it's important to note, too, that this is not the first time that a round of terminations has led to a group of CDC employees being reinstated. In fact, back at the beginning of the year in February, when employees were laid off, 180 employees were then asked to come back a month later. Though there are, of course, thousands of folks here still without a job, and it's unclear if any more positions will be reinstated as well. Of course, we'll keep you updated on that. But for now, that's the very latest live from CDC headquarters. I'm Lindsay Tuman for Good Day Atlanta.
All right, we know you will, Lindsay. Thank you. Well, meanwhile, Health and Human Services Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. has named 8 new vaccine policy advisors.
Yeah, they'll replace the panel he abruptly dismissed earlier this week. Among them is Dr. Robert Malone, who spread conspiracies about the COVID-19 pandemic and vaccines. The committee makes recommendations to the director of the CDC on how vaccines should be used once approved by the FDA.